Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our breakaway C box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Panini Playbook box break number 24. Here's the last name up for auction. There's Edmonton. So in the box is NE206-539-519. That's NE206-539-519. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Starting out with an autobiography hit for the Stars of Tyler Seguin, 58 out of 99. We got a limited edition 5 out of 5 of Vladislav Tretiak. That card's going to be randomized between everybody in the break. 5 out of 5 of Vladimir Tretiak. Nice hit. Got a base card of Patrick Kane for the Blackhawks, 42 out of 249. We have a rookie booklet, 83 to 199 of Corey Conacher. That card goes to the Senators. So nice hit for the Senators. So let me just get the random set up for the Tretiak card. You can randomize all teams. Give me 1 second. Here we go, all 30 teams are in here, randomized 3 times. Whoever ends up on top gets the Tretiak card. There we go, 1, 2, and 3. Let's randomize 3 times. Scroll up to the top, and the Leafs are on top. So Toronto, you get the card. Nice hit for Toronto. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.